Hi guys, unboxing time or unbagging time. New delivery from China. Let's see what's in here. Got my knife out. Let's get this puppy open. Alright, so I ordered a lock picking kit a while back. Got interested in doing some lock picking. This is it here. Let's see what's inside. Sticker with nothing on it. Great. Okay, got a bunch of instruments here and here. Okay, so this is the pick kit, but basically comes with a lock. There's a transparent lock. They give you the keys here, I guess as a teaser, because you want to pick it in order to get the keys off of this thing. And it comes with, let's see what's in there, our silica gel. Alright, so we've got a couple of torque applicators here. I don't know the technical term for this. I have to watch some lockpicking videos to understand what they mean, but a number of different picks. Okay, these are double picks, I guess, forked picks, I guess they're called. These are another applicator for torque, where you can squeeze it in between a lock and it grabs on. Okay, you have two ends. Now I think this whole kit cost me like 15-16 bucks. I don't know, it was definitely under 20 together with the lock. So I'm quite impressed. I mean, it comes with a whole bunch of stuff. I don't know the quality of these things, but they're definitely, I guess these are called that's a rake pick, I guess. I don't know. Let's try this. Metal, plastic handle, metal thing. Now, they're pretty smooth. One of the videos I saw earlier about picking mentioned that some of these instruments come in and they're quite rough and they're not good at picking because of they're too sharp. So let's give this a try and see what happens. So you can see when you insert this, you see how the pins on the lock go up and down. So that's the neat thing. I wonder if I can zoom in here. There we go. Okay, so you can see that they move up and down. Now I can't really do this with one hand, or can I? If I get one of the torque instruments here. Okay. And I guess I would put it in here. They're a little wide, actually. That one's really wide. So I don't know how you're supposed to get that in at the same time as you get this in here. It's also on the wrong side. Should flip it around. Put it there. Okay. Let's see if I can manage to get this opened at all with a little raking, as it's called. And so far nothing. Then again, my technique sucks. I don't really know what I'm doing here. Oh, it looks like I'm not engaging the last pin at all. Okay. Am I getting to the very end of this thing? Let's see. Probably not, because the rake doesn't let me get that far. Alright, anyway, just a quick review. I'll get back to this later. Okay, I figured it out. I was using the wrong key and I was also turning the wrong way, so I'm just gonna put that in here. Okay, so I'm applying some torque and I'm just gonna rake this a couple times. See? That was easy enough. Now I got the key off. And I can put that in here. You can open it, close it. So, I mean, obviously this is a very easy lock to pick. There's no security features at all. So, you know, in about a second raking, again, place this in here, apply it in the right direction, and it's opened. Not much of a challenge, to be honest. I would have liked, I mean, it's good for kids to learn, you know, the mechanism of locks and to open them, but yeah, now I gotta go find myself some more impressive locks and see if I can put this kit to use just for some fun. Alright, so that's it for the lock picking kit. Quite a good deal, I think, for any beginner wanting to get into the hobby, and you know, not bad for under 20 bucks or so US delivered to your door. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.